Okay everyone, so I'm going a bit unboxing crazy today, because I got a huge order in my post today from overclockers.co.uk, and I got my case, which I did a review of earlier, and I got a couple of other things. This is the first one I'll show you. I'm going to switch this around because the light is reflecting on the case. Okay, so sorry if it's dirty. My dog likes to sit on that a lot. This is the Kaze Master fan controller. It's not the Pro one. I think the Pro one is like aluminium or something. I don't know, but this is like a shiny black plastic. But I'll go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know. I've seen a couple of videos of people using this, but I've never seen a video of somebody talk about it, and I've never seen a video of somebody unboxing it. So, just comes in sort of weird foamy polystyrene thing. With a warranty. I think it has like a 2-year warranty or something. I don't know. I never claim my warranties because I can never remember where the receipts go. Double-sided sticky tape. I think that's what that is. And screws. And then your wires. These are your you get 4 fan controllers, by the way. You can control four of them. I'll just put the wires aside there. This is the actual thing, which we all want to take a look at. Okay, so it is just that it's covered in a film right now. I'll take it off. Yeah, it's just a shiny plastic. I'm not going to take it all the way off because I have some work to do before I put this on. But I think it's really awesome. It's one of the cheaper fan controllers that has all these features. It's got temperature, rheostats. Oh, god damn. See, that's exactly why I didn't want to take it off. These are your rheostats right here. I'll turn the macro on so you can see better. Sorry, this camera has like manual macro, so these are your rheostats. You point these at whatever place you want to read the temperature of. For example, under your CPU, you would just point it underneath the fan. Your graphics card, you point it sort of close to your graphics card. It's 3-pin, they're for 3-pin fans, but if you have 4-pin, it will work too, because you see it's a 4-pin sort of female sort of thing. And if you have the extra pin, then you just see that hole there. That's the extra sort of room for the 4-pin, because you know the 4-pin would be useless, but that's what it's there for, to accommodate if you have a 4-pin fan. So that's good, because I have a couple of 4-pin fans, I believe. Is this? Oh, this is your Molex. That's for the power, basically. That's your ground, your 12 volt. Oh wait, there's 4 of them here. I don't know. I'm not very well versed in electronics, but I'm getting there. I'm learning. So that's pretty much it. So I got the one fan connected. It's a blue light to the bottom for your temperature. Right now it's 18.2. Sorry for the bad lighting. I really can't help that because it's like 9 p.m. And then 720 rotations per minute. You can't see that clearly, but you're just gonna have to trust me on what it is. If we take the front panel off right here, then you can take a look at the fan that's moving right there. There it is. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. There. That's the fan failure beep. Tells you when a fan has failed. You can turn that on and you can turn that off. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. This was really easy to figure out. I didn't actually really have to look at the instructions. I had to see where the beep on, beep off thing was. But that's not important to me. I just wanted to be able to tell you guys what that is. So, with this, it means that you don't have to connect your Molex that comes with your wire, with your fan, into your PSU. You can connect it straight. Connect the fan straight into the controller via the 3-pin, and then the controller goes into the Molex that's through your PSU, so you can have 4 of them all hooked up through one Molex, which is good if you are the type of person that likes to have lots and lots of lights and stuff inside your computer. It frees up the Molex cables that go into your PSU. So yeah, that was pretty simple. I'm really happy with that. Yeah, if this has been a help to anybody, please feel free to comment, ask me questions and whatnot. I'll be happy to help you out with stuff. I think this particular thing comes with comes in a different finish, if you like, because this is cheap plastic, like really cheap shiny plastic. But this is a cheap computer, so that's okay. There's another one, it's also black, but it's aluminium. It's black aluminium, which looks good, I think, but it was quite a bit more. I mean, it wasn't a lot more, it was about 10 or more, but I just didn't really want to have to dish out the money for it. This fan works really well. I don't think you can hear that. I certainly can't hear it. I think that works really well. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the computer, put it in plug, because obviously there's no screen set up or anything, so I can't set the screen up. This is probably gonna ruin my Windows, but that's okay. It's a good sacrifice for you guys. And I'm gonna put another fan in. Hey, so I put a second fan into it. It's at the back, my exhaust fan. The first one was the intake fan at the front, over my hard drive. The second one is the exhaust fan. You can't really see it, but it's that red thing there. So I turned my computer back on. I connected the second rheostat onto it. Those are my 2 rheostats. I'll take the little plastic tubing off so that you can see properly. I'll turn the macro on too, because I have a fancy camera that has macro. Not really, it's a cheap old thing. Those are the 2 rheostats. So this is the first one. This is for my fan on the left. So this one here, which is turned off currently. We'll turn it on. That's the beeping that tells you that you just turn something on. Turn this one on too. There you go. So both of them on now. I didn't connect the rheostat to my second fan. My first rheostat, I'm gonna shine it under this light, which is quite hard. So right now, 19.2 degrees. It's going at 630 rotations per minute. So I'm going to shine this light onto my rheostat. 21.1 degrees. 22.1, 24, 25. These rheostats, you stick them on with like a bit of masking tape. Stick it on the black. There's a black sticker right there. Stick it on with that part. Stick it onto like your hard drive, your DVD drive. Or you don't really need cooling on DVD drive, but stick it onto whatever, you know, your hard drive. That's a good thing to have it on, because your intake fan goes straight over the hard drives. That's what that intake fan is for, to cool the hard drive down. You definitely want one of these near your CPU, but do not stick it between your CPU and your heatsink, the one that sits above the CPU, because it can damage your CPU. Just sort of point it in the general direction of the CPU close by, but don't try and slip it like actually under the heatsink, because it's not good for your computer.